arbitrationagreements.org. Interest arbitration, also known as rights arbitration, is a method of dispute resolution where an impartial third party called the arbitrator makes a decision that binds the disputing parties. Imagine you're in a deadlocked negotiation, maybe over the terms of a new labor contract or over the conditions of a business deal. That's where interest arbitration comes in. Interest arbitration differs from another popular method known as grievance arbitration. While grievance arbitration is about interpreting existing agreements, interest arbitration is about creating new ones. In 2021, it was estimated that over 60% of labor disputes in the U.S. utilized arbitration. Among these, approximately 25% were resolved through interest arbitration, showing its growing importance as a conflict resolution tool. The process begins when both parties agree to resolve their differences through arbitration. They then submit their proposals and counterproposals to the arbitrator, who after careful analysis makes a decision. This decision is legally binding. One of the advantages of interest arbitration is the swiftness of resolution. Compared to court proceedings, which can take years, arbitration can conclude in a few months or even weeks. There are two major types of interest arbitration: conventional and final offer. In conventional arbitration, the arbitrator has the freedom to fashion a compromise. They may consider all proposed terms and create a solution that may be an amalgamation of both parties' proposals. On the other hand, in final offer arbitration, also known as baseball arbitration, the arbitrator must choose one party's entire proposal as the resolution, encouraging parties to be more realistic and fair in their demands. Remember, interest arbitration is a powerful tool for resolving deadlocked negotiations. It ensures timely and fair resolution, fostering stronger relationships between disputing parties. Do you need more information about interest arbitration? If so, head on over to arbitrationagreements.org. That's where you can buy the service or program you need right away and begin the dispute resolution process quicker. Now, our association does not provide any legal advice, but give us a call if you or your business are considering opening a new account or case. Successful companies depend on arbitration to save money. You are paying one service per case instead of experiencing the uncontrolled expenses of a standard lawsuit. That's the key reason why arbitration is so popular. Also, what do you think about interest arbitration? Does it sound like a potential solution to resolving a dispute? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.